Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Eleni and today I'm going to share with you this art journal that I made in 2017 until 2019. I'm sharing it with you today because I just finished the cover of it, so it is at last ready to move to my art journal shelf where I put all of my finished art journals. And I also have to tell you that in this journal you will see a lot of recreations or copies or inspiration, or what you call it, of some of my favorite artists' work. And the reason is that by trying to paint the work of an artist that you admire, I find that you get a good exercise but also an understanding of what it is in their art that you are drawn to. For example, the colors they use, the shape of the face. Well, I'm talking faces because that is what I mostly do, the shape of the eyes and whatnot. But keep in mind that when you recreate work of other artists and post it online, you have to give them credit. So I will leave you links in the description box below to all of my favorite artists that are mentioned in this video, so that you can go and check them out if you are not already familiar with them. In this journal I also have my own art that is mostly inspired by prompts from art challenges, and because the art challenges that I like to participate in are mostly daily challenges, that means you have to come up with and paint a face each and every day for a month. I will share with you at the end of this video what I do to get an easy head start, so stay tuned. So now I'm gonna share with you what I do sometimes to get a head start when creating daily. I use face stencils, and here is a page so that you can see what I do with them. I apologize for all the leftover paint on my stencil, but that is just how I do it. I never clean them. You can use either the front or the back side of the stencil. Both sides works excellent. You use ink, paint, or just a pencil to draw the outline on your page, and then you can change some details, and although you are using the same stencil, you get a different face each time. Like you see in this page, where these three girls are all made by using the same face stencil, but they still are different. And here is another example of two different faces where I used this profile stencil. Do you see how different they look? These stencils that I love to use are by Jane Davenport, and there are 2 sets with 3 face stencils in each set that you can get. Hope this is helpful for you. And this is all for now, but because I just love to share things with you, I was thinking that I could not leave you without a free printable sketch, especially for you that are not confident drawing your own. And because I'm always giving you faces, today I thought I would give you a sketch of my full body blue fairy. So go to the description box under this video to find the link, and there you can download it, print it, and use it in your art as you like. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, but also click the bell beside the subscribe button, because this way you will be notified about my new videos. See you soon, love and kisses!